Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Side Hustle Keisha, and today we're going to be talking about three job opportunities that you can apply for today. They all have sign-on bonus opportunities. They're all customer service based. Let's get into it. Make sure you guys are following me here. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button so every time I upload a video, you'll be in the know, okay? And share it with your friend. It may not be for you, but it may be for someone else. And we definitely want to sharing is caring, and we want to share with our friends who are looking for opportunities, whether the opportunity may be a side hustle or part-time or full-time job, or even new entrepreneur opportunities. We share it here, okay? Let's jump into the first opportunity, you guys. Okay, of course, this opportunity is with a company called, let me just give you the abbreviation. It's Cogeco. Cogeco has an opportunity. It comes with technical support specialist, customer service support. It's remote. It's $1,000 sign-on bonus if you get it. Listen, this sounds like it fits you. You want to check out Cogeco. Cogeco Inc. is a diversified holding corporation which operates in the communications and media sectors. Its Cogeco Communications Inc. subsidiary provides residential and business customers with internet, video, and telephony services through its two-way broadband fiber networks operating in Quebec and Ontario, Canada, under Cogeco Connexion name, and in the United States under the Atlantic Broadband brand. Okay, so it's a internet service based company. It's my first time hearing about it, but I definitely seen a couple of people talking about this opportunity, so I want to definitely share it with you. Our culture lifts you up. There is no ego in the way. Our common purpose, okay? We all want to win for our customers. We aim to always be evolving, dynamic, and ambitious. We believe in the power of genuine connections. Each employee is a part of what makes us unique on the market, agile, dedicated problem solvers. Okay, so the title of the position is data voice specialist. The department is going to be advanced services group, and they also have a summary under general supervision, provides technical support for hardware and software for residential and business customers, including the following. Other duties may be assigned: provide technical support to our customers in the use of telecommunication equipment, home network routers, data modems, and MTAs. Assure adequate connectivity to the network, voice, and data. Okay, ability to consistently remain within the ASG department's guideline for call monitoring, trouble call fee accuracy, SRO special request order percentages. To perform this job successfully, an individual should have knowledge of Microsoft operation systems, Apple Macintosh operating systems, some computer hardware knowledge, hardware drive knowledge, basic understanding of network and terminology, email, troubleshooting. So it's a lot of things here. This is more of a technical support person. This position offers $1,000 sign-on bonus, but I want to take you guys back to the search. When I did the search here for customer service, I hit search, and the $1,000 bonus for technical support specialist show up several times here. Okay, and then they have a customer service remote, so I'm going to review that one. This link will be below in the description box so you can check it out. Here's all of the cities and states that they are hiring in. You can come here and take a look at this opportunity. Again, for the customer service position, it is $1,000 sign-on bonus. It's a $15 an hour wage. It is work from home. It's customer care representative, and customer care representatives are Atlantic Broadband's personal experts on the other end of the phone line for our customers, whether they have questions on their bill, have service issues, or looking to add a digital cable, digital home, phone, or internet service. If you are a pro at building relationships, have desire to keep up with the latest technology gadgets, and like to work in a team environment, this is the career for you. So you're going to be handling complaints, billing, service. You also achieve proficiency in providing customer support for service complaints within required time frame, answer questions regarding service and products, receive telephone calls for cable customers to discuss billing questions and service concerns, handle customer needs and promote cable services to existing and new customers with tact and courtesy. Place new installation orders, service orders for disconnects and service changes generated from the customer. So there's a lot of other responsibilities. Experience is 1 year call center, customer service related, basic computer knowledge, keyboarding skills, English, ability to speak fluent Spanish. Okay, so high school diploma or general education degree. Okay, now this will tell you you're going to need equipment. It doesn't go into the details for the equipment here in the job, but if you're working from home, I'm assuming you need a computer. Apply for the job if this is something that you're interested in. Definitely come back and let us know if you get it. So that's the one opportunity I want to share with you. I'm going to share with you two more. Okay, so CarMax is also hiring. CarMax is hiring meaningful work, limitless potential. We are revolutionizing car sales through honesty and integrity while redefining the rewards of customer service career. So you would go ahead and put in your information if you're interested. But let's go down and get some more information. We're creating an iconic customer experience, and buying a car is a big deal for everyone, and we love helping people through the process. To us, our work is more than selling cars. It's making a real difference for our neighbors and the community members. With our award-winning training program and collaborative culture, you'll be supported every step of the way. And if the career growth is your goal, we will work with you to personalize your development plan based on your needs, objective strengths. At CarMax, the road is truly paved for you if you're willing to take it. Okay, so here are what our associates love most about CarMax. So I let you come on here and you read this video. The link will be in the description box. You can listen to that video later. What is the customer experience consultant? The perfect blend of sales and customer service. Our customer experience consultants work directly with the customers to help them find a vehicle that perfectly suits their needs instead of pushy sales tactics. Our approach is driven by honesty, teamwork, and above all, our customers' well-being. Whether you're just starting out or you have years of sales and customer service experience, we have limitless opportunities if you have the drive. Okay, we offer world-class training, our benefits. So you get health coverage, okay? Medical plan, dental plan, vision plan, health care, flexible spending account, domestic partner eligibility, wellness, expected mothers program, wellness incentives, digital well-being platform, comprehensive nurse support and chronic conditions, employee assistant program, paid time off, vacation, sick time, holidays, and personal time. Retirement and financial planning is offered. Supplemental insurance, life insurance, business travel, accidental insurance, short-term, long-term disability, smart savings, tuition assistance program, daycare savings account, adoption assistance, car, and other associate discounts. It is extremely open and approachable place to work. A lot of companies say that they're family oriented, but at CarMax, they are telling the truth. We are task driven, but we don't have task masters. I like that. So that's what Obida, customer experience consultant, had to say. He works there. He likes it. It sounds like it's a good opportunity. So here you can go down here and just read their values, do the right thing, put people first, win together, go for greatness. You can apply here and move forward. So that's the second opportunity. So the third opportunity, we're going to just jump right into this third opportunity. You guys are going to love this third opportunity. Okay, United Health, there we are. United Health has customer service reps work as well, from 750 sign-on bonus external candidates. Okay, so that's for people on the outside. Okay, so it's not for people that work for the company. So these are for new employees looking for a customer service job. This is a work from home opportunity. Here is a little bit about, of course, United Healthcare. We've heard of them. Let's read. Our teams are helping people from around the world. We can bring out your best as you put your listening, analytical, and problem-solving skills to work in a setting that is geared to helping improve lives and enhance healthcare for millions. Here you'll discover a wealth of pathways for professional growth within customer service, billing, claims, enrollment, and eligibility, and across the global economy. Join us and find out why this is the place to do your life's best work. Okay, so this one, they have several opportunities. These two that we're looking at is for San Antonio, Texas, and Greensboro, North Carolina. So if you live in 60-mile radius, this is a work from home, but they want you to be in 60-mile radius of the company. So they have training classes starting soon for this job opportunity. I'm going to go through, this is a full-time position, 40 hours a week, Monday through Friday. Employees are required to have a flexible work, 8-hour shift in between the hours of 8 and 9:30 p.m. Or 7 a.m. So that's Eastern, 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Central Standard Time. So you have to be open to those time frames. Primary responsibilities: respond to and resolve on the first call customer service inquiries and issues by identifying the topic and type of assistance the caller needs, such as benefits, eligibility, claims, financial spending accounts, and correspondence. Educate customers about the fundamentals and benefits of consumer-driven healthcare, guiding them on topics such as selecting the best benefit plan option, maximizing the value of their health plan benefits, and choosing a quality care provider. So those are some of your responsibilities. Your required qualifications: high school diploma, minimum of 2 years of combined education and work experience. Telecommute requirements: must live in 60-mile radius of the two locations, San Antonio, Texas, or Greensboro, North Carolina. Required to have a dedicated work area established that is separate from other living areas and provides information privacy. Ability to keep all company sensitive documents secure. Must live in a location that can receive United Health Group approved high-speed internet connection and leverage an existing high-speed internet service. Preferred qualifications: healthcare, insurance, environment, so that you have some type of experience in the past. Social work, behavioral health, disease prevention, health promotion, and behavioral change, or sales and account management experience, or customer service experience. Okay, so this will be dropped below in the description box below. I'll have the links to these jobs. You know, everything here we try to share with you opportunities. If you're looking for a new opportunity or a second opportunity, we try to share it here. If you're looking for a side hustle, we've shared here, as well as opportunities for you to become a home-based business opportunity or entrepreneur. We also talk about skills that you can gain to help grow your already existing business. So hopefully this helps somebody. If it's not for you, I ask that you share it with someone else. Again, my name is Keisha. I'm Side Hustle Keisha, and that's my time. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification button, so every time I upload a video, you're in the know. Drop below in the description box. Get the links to this opportunity. Also check out my #1 way of making money from home, my #1 home-based business that is free. You can start today. That's below in the description box as well. I'll see y'all in the next video.